Yo, what's happening everybody? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim from Tecno Camon X. On this video guys of today, I gotta talk about a little bit of something which is quite interesting, captured me, and I was talking about it for many couple of days and I had a dream. No, I just didn't have a dream about it. Okay, well, this is upon Tecno Camon X. It doesn't come from this, it comes from different this. And this kind of device captured me on terms of its specification. We don't have the device yet, but today it was the day whereby officially Tecno announced this device. Now let me break it down in terms of specification. This kind of device, can we start on camera? Yes. The camera comes with 16 megapixel camera at the back and something which surprisingly 24 megapixel camera at the front. Why Tecno? Why? Just why? Okay, another kind of stuff, I'll talk about it. Another kind of stuff is upon RAM. RAM has a 3 GB of RAM, which is the standard version of Camon X, and the Pro one has a 4 GB of RAM. And something which is very surprisingly, it's upon the storage. The normal the normal phone of the storage comes with 16 GB of storage, standard one. Now the Pro one is just a little bit tricky. It's 64 GB of storage. Man, I was like, what the, like, seriously? On my option, at least it could be like the Camon X could be 32 GB of storage. Still, we're not yeah, though we're having a slot of memory card, but there is no problem. But at least you could just push it, guys. Come on, Tecno, if you're watching my video. The next one, I don't know which to be. Camon 10, I don't. Okay, that's upon storage. Now the storage comes with Camon CX, the normal one. CX? Camon X, it's confusing. Camon X is 16 GB of storage, while Camon X Pro, it's 64 GB of storage. Another kind of stuff is very amazing on this kind of device, which captured me, is upon this processor. They upgraded to octa-core. I know octa-core is just a normal processor, but it's 2.0 GHz and it has a Mali GPU Mali T740, which is amazing on the device. I know some of you may, what is that? That is upon graphics, the way the phone looks like. Size of the phone, it's a 6-inch display phone, 1080, and you'll get a crispy on terms of display. I appreciate it. Right now they're doing something. IPS LCD, it's amazing. So IPS display on that kind of device is very robust. I have no any kind of worries. But another thing which I should a little bit explain and break it down before you make a choice go and buy that phone. I know some of you are like, oh my god, Tecno. No, you just need to a little bit, you know. Yeah, now this kind of device is very robust when it comes to its own kind of performance, which is very great. I didn't do any Geekbench yet because I don't have the device yet on my hands, because today is 5th April whereby they announced the device, and I say why not sharing with you guys so as you can a little bit get a concept. Now this kind of device is very robust, not only for that, but I like the 18:9. I hated 18:9 because there are many things which I hated on the 18:9. Since they introduced the Camon CM, I was like, man, what type of this device are you doing, guys? Well, it's better Camon CX, but right now I just really appreciate it because we are waiting for perhaps the notch. Tecno may come up with a notch. You must be aware of that, because a lot of roundup smartphones right now in 2018, all of them, they have changed their way. They are going to iPhone 10, the way they just did it. So that's upon Camon X. Now let me know in the comments down below what's your thought about Camon X. I don't want to talk about long story. I don't want to make it to be very long story, but to my opinion, I give it go. But on terms of camera, I don't know. Actually, in reality, I just don't know to my aspect. But you can go and check it out. The device is very amazing. I hope that they're officially internationally shipping to every country, whereby they just get the device and they start using it. So that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't hesitate to drop a thumbs up. If you find this video not quite interesting, let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts. For watching, if you didn't subscribe on my YouTube channel, make sure you just go and hit that kind of subscription, it would be amazing. So thank you guys, and if you didn't check out the race, man, it was amazing. I just don't know, it's very great. The rally went great, and if you didn't check out the rally, it's here on the card. You should just click this card so as you can go and check out the rally. The vlog was very amazing. The people I just interviewed, they're very amazing and robust, and thank you guys, very thank you. And we are hitting 700 subscribers, which is amazing, and that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.